Hey guys, welcome to Land Safety and Fire Engineering YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss on fire service ladders, its user, specification and classifications. What is a fire service ladder? Since emergencies don't always occur at ground level, many fire department vehicles carry some type of ladder. Ground level ladders are one of the primary tools of firefighting. Firefighters must be able to quickly select the right ladder for the job and remove that ladder quickly from the apparatus. A member must be able to ascend and descend from one level to another when performing emergency ladders. Rescue, rooftop operations, ventilation, and fire stream operation may also require the extension and proper placement of fire service ladders. Fire service ladders demand close and coordinated teamwork. The safety of citizens and members depend on members' ability to perform all operations quickly using established and proper techniques. Next, move on to the ladder terminologies related to fire service ladders. Look into this picture. From this figure, we can understand the terms associated with the fire service ladders. Ply is an extendable and a retractable section or sections of an extension ladder. Guides are the metal strips on an extension ladder which guide the fly section or sections while being extended or retracted. Halyard, that is a rope used to extend or retract the fly. Hooks are the curved metal hooks at the tip end of the rope ladder. Ladder anchor means a metal hook and a rope device used to secure the tip of a ladder to its objective to prevent tipping. Spike is the metal point at the butt end of the dormant pole. Spurs are the protrusions at the butt of the ladder to prevent slipping when in the raised position and to protect the end of the beams. The function of stop is to prevent the extension of fly section out of the top of the bed. Seal mechanism attaches to the dormant pole of the right and left beams of the bed section. Tip is the uppermost end of the ladder. Okay, so let me now move on to the next thing, which is the uses of fire service ladders. Fire service ladders can be used for rescue purposes, gaining access to upper floors, roofs, etc. It acts as a bridge between buildings and for unsafe floors, replacing burned staircases, used for entry into basements, ship halls, etc. Improvised structure, etc. These are the use of fire service ladders. There are different types of fire service ladders. First one, first floor ladder. Second one, extension ladders. Third one, hook ladders. And finally, scaling ladders. These are the types of fire service ladders. Let us look at fire first floor ladders. The first floor ladders are mostly used in larger city and town brigades, primarily used for entering first floor of buildings, also for extra height from escape. For this reason, sometimes it referred to as emergency ladders, which is made by wood or aluminum. Sometimes fiberglass also used for it. Second one, extension ladders. That is the most common type of fire department ladder. These come in size from 8 feet to 65 feet in length. Extension ladder have two or more sections and are extended with a halyard. There are different types of extension ladders. Short extension ladder, 9 meter, 10.5 meter and 13.5 meter extension ladders. Short extension ladders are size of 5.6 meter to 6.5 meter. Look at this picture. This is the image of a 10.5 meter extension ladder. Extension ladder may be equipped with a rope and pulley systems to assist the user when extending the fly sections. 10.5 meter ladder had been generally superseding the other ladders and is marked as standard ladder for use of brigade. It is designed for one man and one extending section, each not exceeding 6.3 meter, which are reasonably rigidity and freedom. weight not exceeding 63.5 kg. Operation gears are designed that it is remove the extension. Easy extension by one man by endless rope over a pulley. Safety device including poles are attached. Third one is hook ladder. That is an unusual ladder. These hooks are designed to secure the ladder to the peak of a peaked roof, providing better footing to firefighters working on the roof. The function is to scale building in order to affect entry on the floor, used at the head of escape or extension ladder. It is designed to take the weight of one man only. These are the specifications of hook ladder, which have a teeth of 8 nose, hook of 650 mm, length of 4.1 meter. Look at this picture, you can see the parts of the hook ladders, which have width inside is 225 mm. And finally, the scaling ladders. It is also known as foam bear ladder. It is a tapered ladder fitted with two steel or gunmetal brackets outside the strings at the head, two similar brackets inside the strings at the heel for shipping another ladder at either end, which have a length of 1.95 meter and a weight of 8 kg. Use of these type of ladders are convenient for entering ship holes, manholes, structure, etc. The short, light, compact ladders. A pair of these ladders could be used to climb the side of a building, going from ledge to ledge or window to window. They are rarely seen today, but were fairly common in the first part of the 20th century. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. For more videos, like, subscribe, and share.